What's the meaning of ankle sock? Ankle sock. Ankle sock. Ankle sock. Ankle sock. Ankle sock.
An ankle sock is a type of sock that covers the foot and ankle, typically ending just above the ankle bone. It is often made of lightweight materials such as cotton or polyester, and is a popular style for athletic activities. The shorter length of ankle socks allows for greater freedom of movement compared to longer socks. They are also a popular choice for fashion purposes, as they can be worn with various types of shoes and clothing styles. Overall, ankle socks are a versatile and practical type of sock.